how to add a border frame around the video that I'm currently editing using the VN Video Editor app, okay? So basically, I'm talking about this right here. Notice how there's this green kind of border around the video that I'm editing, okay? So I'll show you where to go to get this. Let's do it. Once you're ready to do this, depending on which video clip you are on, so maybe you're working with multiple video clips here, you can just browse over to the one you want to do this for, okay? And then once you reach to the part that you want, you'll just go ahead and browse over and look for where it says border. There's actually a dedicated tool for that, okay? Not the BG, the border one here, okay? And what's gonna happen is when you choose a color here, all right, you will notice that nothing really shows up, okay? Nothing's gonna happen here, whatnot, okay? But you're gonna go ahead and take your two fingers like this here and kind of pinch inwards, and you'll notice how that's gonna happen now. And if it's really too thick like that, just kind of bring it back out a little bit to the thickness that you want it to be, okay? It can be that thin, or you can just adjust it like that. Then you'll just go ahead and press the check mark here, and you'll have yourself a border frame, okay? And then you can just go ahead and do this for every other video clip on your video right now in this section here that you're working with, and then save the video as that, okay? So hopefully this guide helped you. Like and sub.